You searched how to buy shares of Sparebanken More. Sparebanken More is a regional Norwegian savings bank listed on Euronext under the ticker MORG.OL. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. To buy the stock, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually by uploading an ID document, and then add funds to enable purchases. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker MORG.OL to find Sparebanken More. Make sure you select the matching Euronext listing to locate the correct share. On the asset page, check the company profile and the price chart to confirm it is Sparebanken More. Verify the listing shows Euronext and the ticker MORG.OL before you continue. To place the trade, click Invest. Enter the amount you want to buy, then carefully review the order details and confirm the purchase. If the market is closed, the order may be queued as pending, and if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After the purchase, the new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to visit the platform. This is educational content, not advice.